Stephanie took it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. And today is part 1 of Weird Noises with Abe, which I don't know part 1. I don't know. But the first, oh my god, I'm so sorry. The first noise is like a fan. You know, I made a video with the fan just facing me, and you couldn't hear nothing, like literally nothing. So here you go. Second noise is the paper crunching noise. I don't know if I like that one. I like the wind. We'll see when you go like this. And then this one is, I think, the last one. I'm not sure. Where did they go? Come with me, guys. Alright, we're going to my closet. That's where I have paper. And you guys haven't seen my closet tour, go watch that, please. Oh, sorry, because that's my closet door. Okay. I want to sit on the carpet, but I mean, like, I'm going to have to move that, which I think I will do. I think I will do that, maybe, and that's where I'll start shooting my videos. What am I doing? I'm just going to get one paper out. Alright, we're going to get this paper out. Put that notebook. Or whatever that is over there. We're going to crunch this paper up. I don't know if you guys heard it, but we're going to do that again. Same paper because I'm not trying my birthday, you know, people. And a lot of people I heard this use with pens. A lot of people do that. Which does get me a little bit annoyed, but I like doing it. I like doing it, but I don't like when other people do it, you know? So we're going to throw this away. It's going to come with me, and then, oh, and my video there. So, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and